And we're back. I guess it's going to be part 2. A lot of noise going on around here, sorry. But, right. For the life of me, I cannot fathom what this piece here is and that funny looking little springy thing in there. Don't know. The book is pretty useless. You know, I'm trying to look at some of the knobs on the machine. There's not even a picture on here, you know, like saying how to set manual or auto modes. But I'm guessing it doesn't do it because I think this was the, what was this model? The 853D. Right, USB. So, no, you have to have the USB one, I guess, according to those, to switch in between manual and automatic and that horrible Fahrenheit thing, which those bloody Yanks keep using. Jesus, that shits me. And the Celsius, which is a good one. Yeah. Yeah. So manual, yeah, it doesn't even give you a picture about the knobs. It tells you about changing this stuff. You know, pulling that apart. Warranty card. Oh, I don't think I've ever pulled one of them out in my life. Oh yes, and I got a little fridge magnet thingy here, and this definitely does stick somewhat to these. So they must be steel. They're definitely not copper, but they may be an alloy of some description. Yeah. I don't know if I can really show you, but it does have some stick factor, but yeah, you can feel it, but yeah, it's not quite sticking 100%. Probably made out of the same metal as those by the feel of it. Oh yeah, right. Now let's bring this on over. Open the envelope, honey. Now I have had it turned on for a second. It is cool to touch now, but I was going to see how thick this swelled up. So we'll just pour a little bit of water in here. See how we go. Ooh, that works pretty quick. Give it an ounce cock more. Right, that's as swelled as ever going to get. Yeah. That must be pretty expensive, this stuff in China. They can't afford to give you a nice big fat slab of it. Anyway, so I think that'll leave the first part. I will sort of get to know the machine a little bit myself and have a play around with it, and then I might shoot another video showing it in operation, because I am actually a complete newbie at surface mount, what do you call it, reworking with these heat gun jobbies. I normally just solder the bits on, but I thought I'll get the right tool because I've got to do something with my home built weather station, and it's got a surface mount part in there that I may need to swap out. Anyway, so thanks for watching. If anybody does actually watch this, appreciate it. And you don't have to subscribe, share, fucking do any of that crap. I don't give a fuck. But anyway, thanks very much.